Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones. No, I lied. This is your DAX day trade setups for today. So we've pulled back on structure. I was actually expecting a buying opportunity in this area. Did take a stab at it, but got stopped out very quickly. So not really. I think the next logical level is here, and after that we've got a mini level here, and then this area here down the bottom here starts coming into play. So oscillators at the moment have they separated, they're pointing quite strongly to the downside. I suspect we're coming up to a level, and we need to just be paying attention to the level. So the first one is going to be 15,495. This one is really a weak level, but I wouldn't be too surprised to see the bulls come in at this level, which is 15,414. And then this is a really strong level. I mean, this is, to me, the most logical level is 15,327. So that's a fairly decent pullback for a move to the upside. I just want to get this trend line in because I think we are just on it at the moment. Yeah. So first 2 points, and you can see we've kind of tested it twice, and now we've got some kind of a move below in after our session. So I'm kind of in two minds. You know, if you look at all the higher time frames, trend is definitely up. I should be looking for opportunities to move to the upside. We've blown through the first one, and the next one is right here, 15,495. And remember, the trend is up until it's not. So with that logic, if I come to the hour, you can see, yes, we've got 3 1-hour closes below that, but you are still looking for opportunities to buy. Even though you've got a crossover, you are looking for an opportunity to buy when you get a rejection of that trend line or a rejection of a level higher up with the moving averages crossed over. That's when you start switching your tune. So normally you've probably got a 35 to 40% success rate with it, because often, you know, the trend breaks do play out more than what anything else does. But nevertheless, it's a safe way of playing this, because you're not jumping in for the sake of jumping in. And there is a weak rejection area there. That would be the rejection area that I would be looking for, which is 15,616. So if we drop down to the 15 minutes, you know, yesterday we spoke about this potentially being a short. Look at this three tails, story of three, proper rejection off here. It was basically the gap close. Should have been looking for a short there. Did get a short down, but then I jumped in way too early on this move, on the consolidation here. Stopped just below here and somewhere in the middle, and got stopped out. So that's the first level gone. So I think for me, this is the next level. Pay attention to this level here, 15,500, 15,495. Everything is looking. Look at the 1 hour. You look at everything. Look at the 3 hour. You got an inside bar. You're looking for a second move here. Look at the oscillators here. Look at the diversions from there to there. So I'm looking for opportunity to buy still. It's what we are looking for. So wait for the market open. We are on the 50-minute in a downward trend, so be forgiven looking for shorts here, but I don't think I want to be doing that. Not when we're at this 8 hour, it's actually a weekly, well, it is an 8 hour trend line. It's also a weekly trend line. There's another weekly trend line here. But look to the left. Look at all the chaos here. So I don't see us falling too far. And this is the Brooks gap here on the weekly, which is 15,327. So definitely looking for an opportunity to buy into this. Now, with a warning with the DAX, get it moving. If you get the opportunity early on in the first 15-20 minutes this morning of the market open, go for it. If it starts dragging on until 12, 1 o'clock, don't bother. We're coming up to a long weekend. I just park the charts, and you can basically just move on to the S&P 500. There's nothing on the Wall Street at the moment, so we'll have a look now at the S&P 500. But for me, you're probably looking for an opportunity to buy into this, and it would be all 15,495, 15,500. Nice tight stop loss, and you're looking for something. You're looking for probably a 30-point stop loss for first 50 points, and then a possibility all the way up for 100 points. So should be a 2-to-1 trade potentially. This is the level to pay attention to. If we reject this 15,616, that would validate a deeper short for me. But we are in between the 155 and the faster moving averages, so I would expect range today. There's a bit of data coming out as well. Anyway, be cautious. If there's nothing there, take the long weekend. Markets will open again. Some markets open on Monday, but I think it's only really safe to start trading again on Tuesday. Anyway, that's kind of my view. Mixed view, should I say. Hope it helps you somewhat, and we will catch up with you on Tuesday morning. Enjoy the Easter weekend. Cheers for now.